Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Let's talk about Water Technics pool cleaner spares. Maintaining a pool cleaner is easy if you have the right spare parts. They're designed to swap out quick and easy with minimal fuss. Water Technics pool cleaner spares are a premium, high-performance aftermarket replacement, identical in quality to the original at a fraction of the price. A perfect swap for your tired pool cleaner. Mr. Poolman is Australia's largest retailer of quality aftermarket parts with over 190,000 happy customers. Water Technics spares are all designed to increase longevity so you can spend more time enjoying your pool. All replacement parts come with a 12-month warranty and are backed with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We love them too. If you need a spare part for your pool cleaner, then you've come to the right place. Mr. Poolman stocks a complete range of suction cleaner spare parts for all the best brands such as Water Technics, Zodiac, Onga, Pentair and more. Shop the range of cleaner spare parts from Mr. Poolman and enjoy free and fast shipping options, 60-day returns and lifetime pool expert support. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.